You're scrolling through your phone, looking for a way to invest in crypto, maybe dabble in some stocks, or even snag some precious metals. You stumble upon Uphold. They're advertising a platform that seems to do it all. But then, that little voice in the back of your head whispers, "Is this too good to be true? Is Uphold even legit?" You're not alone. That's the question we're tackling today. The world of online finance is a wild west sometimes, right? So, naturally, you're cautious. You've heard the horror stories, the rug pulls, the sudden platform collapses. You want to make sure your hard-earned money is safe. And with Uphold offering access to a dizzying array of assets, from crypto to traditional stocks to commodities, it's understandable to be skeptical. Let's break it down. Uphold has been around for a while, since 2015, which in the crypto world is practically ancient. They've built a platform that aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the digital asset space. That's a big promise. But how do they back it up? First, let's talk about regulation. Uphold operates under various regulatory frameworks, depending on the region. They are registered as a money service business, MSB, with FinCEN in the United States, and they comply with KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, regulations. This means they are subject to certain rules and oversight, which adds a layer of security. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, user trust. In the online world, reputation is everything. Uphold has amassed a substantial user base, and you'll find a mix of reviews. Some users praise its accessibility and wide range of assets, while others have expressed concerns about customer support and occasional platform glitches. This isn't uncommon in the world of online financial platforms. They are dealing with millions of transactions across a complicated web of global regulations. One of Uphold's key selling points is its anything-to-anything trading. This allows users to convert between different asset classes directly, without going through multiple exchanges. This is a unique feature, and it can be convenient. However, it's crucial to understand the fees associated with these conversions. Always check the fine print. Security is another critical aspect. Uphold employs various security measures, including encryption and cold storage for digital assets. They also offer two-factor authentication for added account security. However, no platform is completely immune to security risks. It's always best practice to enable all available security features and be cautious about phishing attempts. Now, let's talk about transparency. Uphold publishes a transparency page that shows their reserve holdings. This is a positive sign, indicating they are willing to provide some insight into their financial stability. However, it's important to note that these reserves are not audited in the same way as traditional banks. So, is Uphold a legit company? The answer is nuanced. They are a regulated platform with a substantial user base and unique features. However, like any online financial platform, they have their pros and cons. It's essential to do your own research, understand the risks, and make an informed decision. Don't just take my word for it. Explore their website, read reviews, and compare them to other platforms. Consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a platform that offers a wide range of assets and anything-to-anything trading, Uphold might be a good fit. But remember, due diligence is key. Ultimately, whether Uphold is right for you depends on your individual needs and comfort level. Always remember that investing involves risk, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.